Welcome to the Battery Magazine, and hi, I'm Shweta, and we are here at IESW event day 2, and we are here at Alaknanda stall. So we have with us Mr. KM Bhargava. He's the managing partner in Alaknanda. Hello sir, we welcome you to the interview, and so please tell us about Alaknanda Systems and also what brought you to IESW this year.
Okay, thank you. I am KM Bhargav. I am founder of Alaknanda Systems. This is a company which is in fire safety for more than 35 years. BESS is a new technology that is coming up recently in last 3-4 years, and we realized that there is a huge gap in fire safety for BESS. So Alaknanda System has brought up solution for BESS fire safety. ISA is one platform which we realize is the only platform which is a right platform for battery energy storage systems in India. And we thought that this is the right place to showcase our product and meet people here.
Sir, what are the key trends you are observing right now? As we all can see, BESS market is growing rapidly at a rapid pace. So, what are the trends you are observing right now in the market?
Trend in what sense?
What are the things you can see is happening right now?
See, BESS business is evolving at a very, very fast pace, and people are getting aware about this at a very fast pace. But what we realize that safety factor in BESS is lagging behind. Fire in battery energy is a very serious thing, and accidents have happened in America, and the fire could not be suppressed for weeks together. So here a lot of work need to be done. As far as growth is concerned, BESS is growing at a very fast pace, and we are also surprised in last 1 year. We see tremendous growth in BESS business, be it at grid scale, utility scale, or at CI scale. It is growing at a pace, and we feel that India will be one of the leading countries in BESS.
How crucial is fire safety in BESS, and what products exactly you have brought to IESW to mitigate that risk to which we are eventually leading?
See, one of the critical thing in BESS fire safety is the philosophy in BESS fire safety and philosophy used in building fire safety are entirely different. If you see in a building, you have got detectors and a suppression system. So if there is a fire, you just detect the fire and suppress the fire. And you can suppress the fire. Whereas in BESS, once a fire starts, it is almost impossible to suppress the fire using the current suppression systems. So what is important in BESS is that the fire should not happen. So how to do it is following various I just have to.
Very rightly, you have said that it is nearly impossible to suppress the fire caused in BESS. Matlab, there are hazardous gases, there are so many things, and it took months to suppress those things. So, what products exactly you have brought to IESW, sir, and what is Alaknanda's USP? Please tell us about that.
See, number one is the awareness what kind of safety is required. So in order to educate people, I have launched this book, a handbook on battery energy storage system, fire and explosion safety. It contains everything, what is BESS, how fire happens, what to do, and post-fire scenario, and what are the national and international codes. Awareness is one of the very important thing that is required. So that one point is that in order to educate people, I have authored this book and which is available in the market. Number two, what Alagnanda is doing. Alagnanda has developed a product which monitors the precursors of fires. There are a lot of precursors which are giveaway in case of a BESS before a fire happens. So there are more than 8 precursors. So what we are doing, we are putting up sensors, very high-end sensors, very accurate, precise sensors. They are connected with the programmable logic controller, and it processes the data and gives the output to activate systems which will prevent fire.
So my last question will be to you, is that what rules or regulations should the Indian government brought in for the fire safety in BESS?
Indian government is working in bringing rules and regulation. CEA has released regulations for fire safety which will be applicable from 1st of April 2027. But a lot of things are to be done. Even the fire department, they are also working on what rules are required. See, this is an evolving field. It is a new field and it is an entirely different kind of a field. So a lot of work is done in national level as well as in international level. In Indian, we have got CEA, we have got BIS, they are also working and bringing new laws. So regulations have to be brought in. Internationally also, there are organizations like UL, NFPA, NFM. They are also bringing their own codes and standards. So it is evolving, and we are very confident that in maybe next 8 to 10, 12 months, a lot of development will be coming in the market, and which is required. As of now, if you ask me, it is risky business. There is no regulations and people are doing everything what they can do it. So, and what was the reason that I have bought this book, and a very useful book for anybody who is in BESS industry.
So your book is very crucial for those companies also coming into BESS and already who are into BESS. So what new things we can expect from Alagnanda in the near future in the coming 1 year?
We are working on detections, very early detection, so that the chances of thermal runaway reduces. So that is at a very early stage. We will be bringing at the battery level also some sensors which will give an early alarm and prevent the possibility of thermal runaway.
Thank you so much, sir, for such deep insights from you, a leader who sits at the center of BESS fire safety. And we wish you all the very best for IESW and for the future. Thank you, sir. It's nice talking to you.